1 Minute Irish Lesson 6.
I'm Owen and you're listening to 1 Minute Irish, the podcast in which I'm teaching you Irish, 1 minute at a time. In each lesson of this series, we spend just a couple of minutes learning Irish, but hopefully you can find lots of opportunities to practice your new words and phrases in between lessons. It's time to begin today's lesson. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Today we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves. To say, my name is, you say, is Misha. I would say, for example, is Misha Owen. You try saying this and put your own name in at the end of the phrase. Is Misha. Try this again. Is Misha Owen. Now, if you can say my name is, then it's also important to be able to ask, what's your name? In Irish, you would say, Cad is t-ainm duit. Try that again. Cad is t-ainm duit. One more time. Cad is t-ainm duit. In English, the question, what is your name, could be asked in different ways. For example, if someone asked you, what are you called, you'd still know what was meant. So in Irish, you may hear the phrase, cén t-ainm atá ort. You heard the word t-ainm in there, just like in Cad is t-ainm duit. T-ainm means name. Listen again. Cén t-ainm atá ort. So if you're asked, cén t-ainm atá ort, or Cad is t-ainm duit, you can simply say, is Misha Owen, or whatever your name is. Time's up. So now you can introduce yourself and ask other people for their names. Don't forget that you can get even more from this series by signing up for our premium version, which includes enhanced podcasts, PDF downloads explaining the words and phrases, and extra audio content. More information on www.oneminute.languages.com. Okay, that's all for this week. Slán go fóill agus gurabh maith agat.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.